Hello everyone, I want to share with you this little thing. See, the doors start falling. Falling. So it's about what, 15 years, and that's where this shocks is give up. It is really easy to change them. I have ordered on eBay 2 for myself and 2 for a friend. They got a similar vehicle, and I'll show you how easy to change them. So what you can do, you can just spin just like this. I know you can use this tool to get the spin on click right here by popping this up, pull this out and put this new one in. But I would like to see if I can use the existing. So I used temporarily this billiard pool, this one right here, just to hold it. But I want to show you how am I changing this thing. So I want to keep the existing one because they are from the Mercedes, and we're going to be, so since that side is holding right there, I just finished one, so I just removed it, and it's gonna feel down a little bit. You see this pressure right here. I don't want these things fall on my head. There we go. It stays locked, and I'm going to unscrew it, this one right here as well. So I changed in other vehicles, but ends up this one is not unscrewing. This part does, but this part doesn't. So we're gonna use the old style school. Just pop this open right here. It's gonna fall on the floor. And the same with this guy right here. Just pop this loose. And they usually come out just like that. So we're gonna use the new one, so you don't have to unpin this one, just press hard. And the same at the bottom right here. Можешь поднять? Can you lift it? A little bit more? Поднимай. Okay. So we're just going to be pushing right here. That's it. So we just replaced one of them. Let's screw this thing back in. Okay, and we're going to do the second one. Let it go, отпускай. Руку убирай. Good. So it's already staying in place. Hold it, Marine, hold it. So basically simple. Just go ahead and pull one of them out like this. And pull the second one right here. Since my wife helped me to hold it, so I gotta hurry. With one hand in. Поднимай, lift it up higher. Okay, good. There we go. Let it go. Thank you, Marishka. Давай сюда. Give it to me. Okay, let's see if it's worked now. It's work well, and let's go ahead and press that open. Excellent. Lifting all the way up, and there's nothing even moving. I cannot even push it even higher, so it's all the way up. So very simple replacements. If you like this video, please like, thumbs up and subscribe, and I will leave in description exactly link where I purchased it. It's extremely low price. The dealer prices are about 70 bucks each. I would pay 150, but I pay slightly less. Like you'll see link in description. Thanks for watching, and subscribe, like, and peace.